Everyone, once again, welcome to my channel. My name is Shivakrishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and AI on this particular channel. So in today's video, we will be learning a powerful feature known as Power Pivot. All right. Some even say that this is a pivot table on steroids. So basically, this is a 10x version of a normal pivot table, and there are few benefits which Power Pivot has over a normal pivot table. Let's say that you have millions of rows and you have 20 or 30 plus columns, and you want to write some formulas on that and then do pivot table. It's not going to work. Excel will stop responding, right, because of the huge size of the data set. That's number one drawback. And number two is that you cannot create a relationship between different sheets in a normal pivot table. However, you can do that in Power Pivot. Okay. So now, before we start doing our Power Pivot, we will be doing a data cleansing. Okay. Here you can see the spelling of this soft drink is incorrect. It says Marinda. It should be Miranda, and then you have Fruta Vitals. Now, what I will do is I will not manually, correct each and everything. I'll use find and replace. So wherever you have Marinda, I'll replace that with Miranda. It says we have done 5 replacements. Let's cross check that. Miranda, Miranda, Miranda. Scroll down. Okay, seems good. And then we'll do the same thing for this particular soft drink, which is incorrectly spelled as Fruta Vitals. It should be Fruit Vitals, right? I'll eliminate the letter A, click on replace all. Okay, let's cross check that. I think the replacement has been done perfectly. All right, and here also in the names section we see some dot ahead of the names, right? I want to eliminate that as well. Once again, I will go to Control H, which is a short form of find and replace. Dot, replace that with replace all. Okay, do the same thing here for this particular data set. And also, just to let you know, just to give you a heads up that I have just recently learned Power Pivot. All right, I'm also getting started with this amazing feature, and hopefully in upcoming data analysis related jobs it would help me. All right, so the data cleansing has been done. Now we'll do the formatting for each and every table, right? I'll go Control plus T, then select the table style. I want dark. I'll select this color and I'll rename this table underscore price. Then I'll do the same thing for rest of the tables. I'm doing this individually, and some people may feel like asking like, okay, you can select all the tables and then do that, right? But we have to name each and every table, and through that we can create a relationship, and that's one of the reasons why I'm doing this formatting of a table individually. Okay, table underscore discount, and then do the same thing for these tables. Sales rep, table Now I'll select the style. Which style do I need? I need this style. Okay. Table underscore sales rep. Finally, this will be our master data set. This will be our master data. Once again, I'll select the formatting of this, right? I need this particular, no, I need this particular format. Okay. I'll rename this as master data. Cool. Okay. Now I will add each and every table that we see here to our Power Pivot. I'll click add to data model. All right. This has been established. Good. Minimize this. I'll do the same thing for rest of the tables. So the second table has also been added to the data model. We are doing this so that we can create a relationship, and how this relationship will help us, I'll explain that. Okay. This has already been done. Minimize this. Finally, we'll do the same thing for our master data. Cool. All right. So now what we will do is, now this has already been done. Go to diagram view so that we can create a relationship. Sales rep, place it here. Perfect. Then I'll go to this table discount, product name, drag it here. See, for creating a relationship, one thing you need to keep in mind, which is there should be a common element in both the tables between which we are creating a relationship, right? So we have done the sales rep is common here as well, and master data. Product name is common here too. Finally, in a table price, once again, it's product name. Okay, cool. All right, now we go to data view. Here I need, let's say, the discount part. Discount. Hit enter. Now let's say that we have the name of the sales representative, the name of the product, total units sold. However, we do not have the discount part, right? Now, if you go to the table discount, here you have the name of the product and have the discount. However, you do not have the sales representative information. So we'll see this is how the magic happens here in Power Pivot. I'll type is equals to related. Okay. Click on discount, close bracket. So the table discount that's selected here, hit enter. See, it's bought the discount part here. And click on percentage. All right. So now let us calculate the total sales value. Total sales value, right? Once again, is equals to select master data units, then just select this particular column, hit enter. Oh no, I think something is wrong. Let's find out what went wrong. Okay, let's add another column, unit price. I'll type is equals to related, open bracket, click on price, close bracket, hit enter. All right. So how this is happening, once again, I'll explain that because we have already interlinked the master data with the product price, right? So in product price, we have the product name and the price of those units, right, per unit. So here we only have the units, but we do not have the unit price. So now we have added that in one particular table itself, right? Now we'll derive the total sales value is equals to master data type units price into number of units. Hit enter. It should give us a total sales value. Perfect, right? I click on save. So now, you know, we'll be doing a power pivot table analysis. And what I'm going to do is I will hide this for the time being and I'll explain why I'm doing this. Now this particular column is not affected, all right? And we'll go to power pivot table, click on that, click on new worksheet. Okay, so here you see in master data, right? We have sales representative, name of the product, discount, unit price, total sales value. However, we do not have units. Now, in sales representative, we have the sales representative and the region, right? Okay, I think something seems to be missing. Let's do one thing. Once again, go to manage, and here in sales representative, I'll add the units column. Units sold. Related, open bracket, master data, units. Hit enter. Okay, perfect. Refresh this. Now let's go to the pivot table. Let's cross check. Okay, perfect. The unit sold has been applied here, okay, right? So here you see, right, in the table sales rep, you have the unit sold. However, you do not have the same information in master data, right? Now you understood, right, like why I did hide that, okay? And now if you want to do the analysis, we'll see how we can do that, correct? Because we have establish relationship between all the four particular tables. Now that was a feature that was not available in the normal pivot table, right? So once again demonstrate that. I'll add four different sheet. This will be in sheet 2, sorry, sheet 3. Then this will be in sheet 4, and finally the master data tab will be in sheet 5. All right, perfect, cool, right? Okay, so now you see, right, in four different sheets, right, there is no way that we can create a relationship in through a normal pivot table, right? You can see, can you see that? So we can't do that, but that's the beauty of Power Pivot. All right, so now let's do our analysis. I want the sales representative wise, product wise, unit sold. Click it here, product name. And then these two have been fetched from master data. Now I'll go to sales rep, and the unit sold, I'll place it here. You see? Let's do some formatting. Okay, so this will help us with the analysis like, okay, which particular sales rep has sold which particular product and how many units did he sell. This gives us analysis, right? We'll do some formatting. Go to design. I need dark. I need this particular option. Okay, and once again I click on align this in the center, and then I will click on bold. Select the font type as Arial Black because that's one of my favorite font. I find this pretty professional, right? Okay, and I click on all borders, and I will rename the product, rename this particular cell as product name. No, I'm sorry, I think it's a sales representative name. Okay, sales rep name. Here it will be product name. Close this, select all that. Make sure that the alignment is proper so that each and every particular brand is properly visible, right? So at a glance, you can see which particular representative has sold how many units. And if you want to do a chart, we can do that as well. Basis this. Let's say I want to do a chart, pivot chart, clustered column. I'll take this one. See, showing the graph. And at a glance, it seems like Yash has sold the most units. Looking at the graph, right? He sold Coca-Cola, right? Okay, so I do hope that you're able to understand like how Power Pivot works. And once again, to summarize, if you have millions of rows and you have plenty of columns, and if you want to add a formula, it is not going to work. but then in Power Pivot, that will help us. Number one. And number two, it helps us in creating a relationship between different tables. All right, that's one of the benefits. These are the two benefits of Power Pivot, and I hope you were able to derive some value out of this video, right? And I'll be uploading more videos related to data analytics and AI on this particular channel. I really appreciate your patience in watching this video. If you like this video, you can hit the like button. If you did not like the video, you can hit the dislike button. That's totally fine. And if you want to subscribe, you may subscribe to this particular channel, and so that you can learn a lot many things related to data analytics and AI for free. All right. So thank you so much for watching the video.